Good morning, Miss.
Good morning, sir.
Today we are going to do the evaluation for primary two, and the topic is about next week topic. So we will start from math first. Here we have the homework of math. Start from the question number one, Miss. Okay.
Where is the? Oh, yeah. I'm making a pattern with shape one square, two circle, one square, two circle. What are the next four shape? Is the next four shape one square? This one. See,
Okay. Next question.
it can. Lion moves the first square to come after the second circle, as shown below, with the next two shape. The next two shape as shown below. The next to come after the school circle as shown below. Find the next step. Is also C. What type of pattern is this? This is a regular pattern.
Regular pattern. Runs or occurrence and whether
What type of activity is Ron doing with the activity? It is a chance activity with result.
Okay. So number five. Number five.
Look, Joy has different two color cards. She closes her eyes and picks a card each time. Then she put the card back. There's a chance of her picking a blue and or green. Because the card is blue and green.
So what is the answer?
See, blue or green.
Lujo has referred to card as she closes her eyes and picks a card each time. She then puts card back. There's a chance of her. Okay, next question.
Describe and draw pattern according to the following statement. One square, two circle. What comes after one square and two circle? One square, two circle. What comes after one square and two circle? This comes will be one square also and two circle.
Okay, next question.
Look how many purple and yellow balloons are there in each pattern. How many purple and yellow balloons are there? In each pattern, there are four. Each pattern four balloons.
What does it mean of this question here? Look, how many purple and yellow balloons are there in each pattern?
In each pattern, there are two purple, two yellow. Sorry, in each pattern there will be only two purple and two yellow.
So what you just said
Sorry,
four.
that's correct. Two purple and two yellow.
Okay, question number three.
Look at the shape. What is the second shape in this pattern? The second shape of this pattern is this triangle. Sorry, this is segitiga and then triangle, square and triangle.
This is not square actually.
Rectangle, triangle, rectangle, and triangle.
So what is the answer? What is the second shape in the pattern?
Triangle, rectangle, and triangle.
Okay, it's not correct actually because the question asks what is the second shape. So this is
Oh,
the
this is
this is the
first.
pattern.
This is the pattern, yeah.
This is the
The
pattern.
second, sorry, the second shape is will be a triangle, the same like this shape.
No,
Triangle.
no, no. The second shape is what is the shape in the second position?
Oh.
The shape in the second position must be a rectangle.
Rectangle.
So the answer is only rectangle.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay, number 4.
How many shapes are there in the pattern? There are. Which one? Number 5. Yeah?
Number 4.
How many shapes are there in the pattern? There are only 2 shapes.
Okay, next number 5.
5. Draw to continue the pattern. What are the next 3 shapes? The next 3 shapes is the next 3 steps is the next pattern is
The question is it's very clear actually. What are the next 3 shapes?
the next 3 shapes. The next 3 shapes is this square.
Hmm?
Square.
They give the information here. Draw to continue the pattern. So what are the next 3 shapes?
The second step will the second step will be like this. Also the same I think this. And then this and circle. And the same like this.
So what is the answer? Just give me the answer, miss.
This is the answer. The shape is like this, that is square, circle, square and circle.
Okay, let's make these things clear first because I know you are the one who make this question. You are the one who make this question. Who made this
This
question?
I make LP, this question is
Okay.
Susan.
Since the one who make question is Miss Susan, but I think this is your responsibility to understand what is the homework about. Draw to continue the pattern. The first instruction is you need to draw it. The first instruction is you need to draw it, and the second statement asking about what are the next 3 shapes. It means here you need to draw the next 3 shapes that you have to draw here in the next 3 shapes here. It will be square, circle, and square again. So you just need to draw 3 shapes here because they ask what are the next 3 shapes. So the answer is only square, circle, and square. Okay, so the mistake part is because you don't understand what is the question about. The question asking for the next 3 shapes. So you need to draw 3 shapes here. What the possibility of 3 shapes that you can draw here based on the shape that you have here. In this pattern we have that after square comes the circle, square comes the circle again. So the next 3 shape must be square, circle, and square again. Question number 6.
Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. And it looks at the weather report for the past 4 days. What weather will you predict in the day 5? In this day 5 will be rain.
Why is it rain?
Looks at the weather. Because this is for the 4 days. Day 1 is bright, day 2 is also bright, and then in the 5th day there is rain.
In the 5th days there's a rain.
Yeah.
Wait for this. Let me check. Eddie looks at the weather report for the past 4 days. But well, So this is the day 5. Okay, let me check this.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I see. Yeah. Next question.
Look at the picture above. What does Sully do with the crayon? Color of crayon Sully pick. Sully has a box of crayon. Sully pick a crayon without looking each time. Then she put the crayon back into the box. What Sully do with the crayons? Sully will pick the crayon with the color or green and yellow.
Sorry, can you explain again?
Sully, so Sully will pick the crayon. It can be the green color or yellow crayon.
Okay. Number 8.
Number 8, which color of card is the less chance of joy picking? Which color of is the card? Here in the card is blue is many than green one. So
Blue is
the
more than.
yeah blue is more than green. So the less picking of joy is green.
Green. Okay.
She records the number.
No, no, we skip this one. Just continue to number 4, number 10.
Draw to continue the pattern. What are the next four shape? The next four shape is rectangle.
The question is just like this one is. The question is just like here. What are the next 3 shapes? It means you have to draw 3 more shapes here to continue this one. So in here, if they ask the next 4 shapes, you need to draw 4 more shapes. It's okay, no need to draw. But the point here is not about drawing. We are not students anymore. This is about how to understand the question, right? What are the next 4 shapes? The next 4 shapes will be triangle. It means you just copy this one and you put it back again. But the point is, you have to understand this one. If you cannot understand this one, how you explain the question to the students later.
This one. The next four shape.
Next question. That is the dust.
Following a consistent pattern is regular pattern. Day. Without a specific pattern is A. How likely something will happen? How likely something will happen is chance. Occurring again with the same pattern is repeating pattern. To analyze or discover something is investigate.
Okay, now we move to science. Start from the question number 1 is.
What do ecologists study? Study A, how plants and animals live in their environment.
Oh yeah. Next,
So
this is
now,
question number 2.
what can ecologists do to help the environment? B, can identify if environment is suitable for living
Yes.
things.
3.
What's happened when the environment of animal habitat changes? Sorry. The animal adapt to the new environment.
What is the question number 3?
The animal moves to a new place.
Oh yeah. Next,
B.
number 4.
Yeah. What tools do scientists use to track the movement of animals? Uh, this is A. Tagging and tracking.
Okay. 5.
What are some that can harm the environment? Overuse of natural resources.
Resource. Yeah. B.
Aquatic is habitat in the water. Desert is habitat, hot and dry environment. Environment is everything that surround a plant or animal. Number 4, shelter is a place that provide protection. Habitat is an environment in which a living things naturally lives.
Yeah. How to think? Try to ask
Susan?
Miss Susan about this one actually. This is not a good sentence. A habitat hot and dry. A hot and
Yeah.
dry habitat. A hot and
It
dry
can be
habitat
also
environment.
tropical and forest, right?
I mean the grammatical things here is not correct. Maybe it can be a habitat, a hot and dry habitat. So you need to change this one letter
Okay, sir.
because it's just like habitat and hot. It doesn't match. Doesn't match. Okay. Now we move to Mathematica. Question number 1, Miss.
Perhatikan urangan bangunan samping. Jika disusut kembali, maka akan membentuk bangun datar segitiga.
Jika disusun kembali, perhatikan orang yang mau dari samping. Jika disusun kembali. Oke.
Bangun datar di samping diurai menjadi 2.
Oke.
Perhatikan gambar di samping. Segitiga dan segi empat disusun menjadi bentuk rumah. Perhatikan gambar di samping, bentuk lingkaran dapat dijumpai pada roda. Menyusun bangun datar. Apa yang dimaksud dengan menyusun bangun datar? Memisahkan beberapa bangun datar.
Menyusun bangun datar.
Menyusun bangun datar. Oh, menyusun, sorry. Dia menggabungkan beberapa bangun datar.
Next question.
And this is, it can be complete ya, in one page saja. Yes, sorry, this was done. This is here. This is here. And then this is, oh my God, what is it there? This is here. And then this is here.
Oke. Ya.
Gambar anjing tersebut terdiri dari bangun datar. Bangun datarnya adalah lingkaran segitiga, bentuk gambar anjing tersebut. Oke, bentuk lengkung ada 1, 2, 3, ada 3. Bentuk segi 4 ada 1, 2, 3. Segi 4. Segitiga ada di ekor.
Segi 4 ada berapa, Miss?
Segi 4. This is 1, 2, 3, 4.
Itu masih kurang tepat ya, Miss?
Hah?
Masih kurang tepat.
Kurang tepat?
Segi empat ada berapa? Ada berapa banyak segi empat yang bisa ditemui pada gambar tersebut?
Ayo. Ada 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oke.
Segitiga ada, 1 ada di ekor. Buntut di oke. Sudah.
Terus ya. Bentuk segitiga ada?
Di ekor.
Oke.
Satu bentuk segitiga. Lingkaran ada 3. Satu. Ini ada 1 kecil. Ada 4.
Oke, Miss. Okay, Miss. For the homework, I think I found some mistake here, but these things need to be fixed. The way to explain to the students must be clear. We have the evaluation here, so this evaluation is to make sure you
You don't?
you are not only answered. You don't only answer the question, but you have to master it. The way to master it, the question is just you read the question and you can answer directly. Because if we ask the students, can you answer the question number two? Can you answer the question number two? They will read the question first and they will think what is the answer. But because we are in the evaluation,
Yes, sir.
so you read the question and you directly answer because it means if you still think about what is the answer, it means you didn't master it. We are not talk about we don't talk about you can answer or you cannot answer. We talk about you can master it the homework or no. And the way to know you master it the homework is by saying how you answer the question. If you can answer directly without even think because you know the answer is B or the answer is C, it means you mastered the question. But if you still read the question first and say this one A or B or C and you still not sure what is the answer about, it means you don't master the question, right? So we need to make sure for the next evaluation the homework is mastered well. Now we move to the book. I'm doing the evaluation.